G'day trendsetters, I think it's high time I introduced you to PiP Magazine. PiP Magazine is basically permaculture in practice, and it was started by Robin Rosenfeld in 2014 as a way to share practical and inspiring stories with like-minded people. It all goes on to say to nourish yourself and the planet with ideas and inspiration for a positive future. So basically this is just an overview and a mini promotion for PiP Magazine. There's a lot more information and you can find out about the magazine and Robin and how it all started on their website, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. But basically in this issue, apart from the regulars, which is like a typical magazine, you get your editorials, it goes through all your contributions and stuff like that. You've got notice board, PiP picks, international projects, 5 of a kind, winter wellness herbs, and there's quite a few more letters to the editor in the garden. They have a great, it's a quarterly magazine too, which I haven't mentioned, but they have a great what to plant now section. So you've got May, June, July, August. It covers 4 months of the year, and it's about sowing direct, planting seedlings, seedling trays, plants, bulbs, cloves, plant crowns, rhozymes, runners. It's quite comprehensive. Plant undercover in trays. So that just on its own is worth, to me, the price of the magazine. This magazine, you've also got features including stone fruit, what to plant this winter for a juicy summer harvest, page 32. Ever dreamed of picking deliciously ripe stone fruit from your own backyard? Winter is the time to put the work in if you are wanting to be picking sun-warmed fruit in summer. Goes on, there's choosing your fruit. There's sub-headings of apricot, peach and nectarine, plum, cherry. Does my tree need a pollinator? It's quite comprehensive, covers everything you really need to know about growing stone fruit, planting out, maintenance, diseases, fruit thinning or pest and diseases. Other articles, there's trees of change, winter weeds, eat. Oh, on the front of the magazine, you've got grow, eat, build, thrive, forage, make and design. Pretty much what you'll find inside. So they've got it here. We grow, eat, build, thrive and repair and make. There's, and this one is, you can eat winter weeds on page 42. And it goes on about chickweed, which with the amount of chickweed I've got in my garden here, I will never go hungry. It also includes recipes, weedy winter pie, chickweed pakoras, oxalis, open garden sandwich. Cool. Lesser known veggies, grow to love. Brussels sprouts, yeah, they've got a poor self-image. Southern fried okra. Turnip, pickled turnips. This one I found quite interesting. As a young couple, sustainable reno, coastal renewal. A considered renovation and clever retrofitting turned a small, dilapidated house on Withawonga country into a rustic coastal retreat for this creative young family. Good Sunday morning read. And again, comprehensive. I find a few of the other magazines are quite brief, but they're very comprehensive here. Once it was mushrooms attracting all the attention. They still are, but the growing interest in mycelium and the notion of subterranean networks of fungi is changing not only how we understand fungi and forests, but life. Fungi provide a fundamental foundation to the forest and are the key to understanding how forest works. More like that. What else is there? Nurture, it's okay. How acceptance and self-care can benefit others on the planet. Game, set and patch, converting a decade-old tennis court into a productive vegetable garden. There's no end to the amount of value in this magazine. Gardening apps, digital advice, Garden 8, that's my favourite app. The Garden 8 app isn't free, but it does provide some extra info that the ABC app doesn't. Yeah, no, Garden app's great. 4.5 stars. Tried and true. Aussie garden stores, canvas tarps. Little reviews on product, little product reviews. Color, there's even a colouring page for kids. $14.95. I mean, the value is just phenomenal. What's this? Tool restoration, a new life. It's pretty common to have a handful of broken, old, rusty garden tools. Yeah, don't look at my shed. That you've vowed to get around to repairing one day. With a bit of elbow grease, patience and creativity, not only can you get them back to good working order, but you just might be able to make yourself a tool you didn't know you had. High Valley Dawn Rising. Ross O'Reilly is the visionary behind High Valley Dawn, a 140-acre seaside off-grid property nestled in the Capricorn Coast in Queensland. Lucky bugger. Of which the Darumbal people are the traditional custodians. Established in 2016, it has the optimal climate for growing food, allowing Ross to work faithfully to core permaculture, ethical principles, land care, people care, fair share. Highly recommended if you haven't worked that out already. Go get them. Quarterly magazine. Follows the seasons of the year basically. Spring, summer, autumn and winter. With the spring one coming up next, this one being the winter one. So hopefully you'll run out and grab yourself a copy. They do have a subscription service where it comes straight to your front door. And I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know what you think. And I'll be back with another one of these soon when the next issue comes out. All the links in the description below. Cheers, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.